Right, I've put the lead in there, so there's, what is there in there? 4, 8, 12, 16, 18 kilos of lead on this starboard side. That's because the boat was just a little bit lopsided on one of the first dives. Anyway, so I just put that lead in. It's just glooped in with Sikaflex. There's nothing particularly spectacular about it. And now I'm going to put the end caps on. Just going to clean this up with literally just a paper towel. I'm not using any cleaner because I don't want there to be any chemicals of any sort in here that just might affect the O-ring. Probably won't, but right, it's clean. I'm going to put the O-ring back in. Just going to make sure the O-ring is clean. Anything on that. Then some silicone lubricant. Not put too much of this on. And the lubricant provides the final seal on the joint. Molecular seal, I'm led to believe. So you don't put too much on. Right, let's just bolt it back on. Now I'm not using the raffle gun to tighten them up. I'm just using it to speed the process up, and I'll tighten them up by hand at the end. Right, that one's on. It's a bit of a tickle of paint. I'll do the other. There's no weights in the other side. It's just slap the lid on, so I won't video that. That's exactly the same. Okay, so both caps are on, so that takes quite a while actually to get those on and right. But anyway, they're on, job done. So I'm going to move on to doing the pipe work on the inside. But I think first we better go for a walk. Around the park? Do you want to go around the park? Come on then. Right, I'm just testing out the power situation. So the main's on now. And I've got a couple of things not working. Lights aren't working for some reason, which is a real pain. So I've got to tackle that. These are okay, but this one, there's no mains coming through that, so I need to just figure that out. So just got to dismantle a couple of bits and bobs. Right, I think that is it. The lights. Yeah. Okay. Right, first thing I've got to do is take the tape off. I'm not going to do this up yet. I'm just going to offer it up just to see. So that will be sort of there somewhere, like that. And then coming out of there we need an adapter. Like that. And that's got to then go to valve. And then to the high pressure. So it's a bit of a monster actually, a bit annoying. Right. This is Swage Lock 300 bar seamless tubing, which is hideously expensive. So the first one is I just need a tiny little bend. Pipe bender. This is a proper swage lock one. Yeah. Honestly, I tried to do this originally with like a cheap pipe bender. It's just absolutely impossible. This is just, what a difference if you got one of these, a proper job. So that's the first bend that I need. I actually think it needed a little tickle one other way, didn't it? Which I should have done first. Now it might be able to do it there, and then the other way, like this, like that. Pretty sure. There, that's it. Right, that's that first one. Now I've got to sort of recreate that. It's a bit rubbish, but I'm going to need to do this bit at a time. I'm going to put it at a little bit of an angle. Right, messed it up. Wrong size. Start again. 360-degree bend. So this thing's really good. You can get all the way around. Like that. Now, this is a little bit difficult to measure this. Right, just had to look at the instructions up on the internet. So, from your reference mark, then there's some scale on here which I've forgotten about. So, I'm going to line that up with the 90-degree bend. That's actually going to be that way around. There's my bend mark where I want it to be. Just going to go over there. 0 degrees from reference mark. Is that right? Think about it. Yeah, it is. Now, I don't know if that's right or not. But actually, it does look correct, actually. Always good to read the instructions. Right, I'm going to put the valve on properly now. Right, now I've got to make this little piece fit. So it nearly fits. So just got to make a little adjustment to it. Right, finally got it. So I've put the tape on, and that goes in there, and that goes in there. That one in, that right in, and that one right in, and that's it in. So, finger tight, which I've done. So I'm going to mark it. There. One and a quarter. Same on this one. So finger tight is going to be there. Mark it. That's one. 1/4. Let's just put this handle back on. So after all that's the part finished. Now you might think, why have you put 2 valves on? Well, this is a hull stop valve, so that this isn't supposed to control the air. This is to stop this penetration if there's a leak. So that is just literally a stop valve, and this will control the actual flow of air, this high pressure swage lock valve. Unfortunately, I haven't got time to do the other one because I've got to now fix something for my brother's diving equipment, and it's also his birthday, so I really need to do it. And then we're going around there for a barbecue, so I can't do any more on this now. Well, I've just knocked that diving thing out like lightning, so I've just got a minute to look at this. So you can see how far it's sticking out. That would be all right if it was piping up there out the, you know, but I'm just gonna, very tempted to just put a piece of hose on it, and then I can fit my lift bags here somewhere.